Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to CR1s. In this video, we will see how to rename the related entities in Dynamics 365. Firstly, open make.powerapps.com in your Chrome or any browser. Next, click on Settings option in right side top corner. Then go to Advanced Settings. Next, go to Solutions. Here, select your solution. My solution name is Anish. Next, open your entity where you want to rename the related entities. Here I am choosing account entity. In accounts form under common, you will see all the activities here. Just double click on activities, rename it. Here I am changing account activities to account test. Next click on OK button. Now save and publish all customizations. Next go to model driven apps. Next select your entity. Next click on play button. Now go to your entity. Open any record. Go to related. Now you will see account activities converted to account test. For more detailed information, please check the below description link. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.